guys, in this tutorial we'll discuss how we can display a Google map in our website. So you can see this is our contact us page, and at the bottom of this area we are going to add Google map. So how we can do that? Suppose our location is USA and we are going to add our USA Google map into our WordPress website, and wherever you would like to add you can. So in that case, just go to Google and search Google map, okay, and go to this link maps.google.com, okay, and here you can search the location like something USA, yeah, something like Arizona USA, right? So once you search Arizona USA, then click on three line, okay, and you can see the option for share or embed map. Just click on here, okay. Once you click on it, you can see there are two button tabs like send a link, and another is embed a map. Just click on embed a map, okay. Now you can see the Arizona location, you can see the iframe code. Just copy this HTML first, and now wherever you would like to display this map, you just pasted iframe code. It will automatically shown up in the website. So we are going to add into our contact us page at the bottom of the area. So we will add this iframe code here. So in that case, we need to edit this page first, okay. So here you can see our edit page is opening, okay. Now this is for the form shortcode, and at the bottom of the form shortcode we are going to add our iframe. So this is the iframe code you can add, and once you paste it over there, just update. You can add this iframe code anywhere, okay. So as of now we are going to add this iframe code into our contact us page. Now I just update this page, and once you update, just reload this page, okay, reload the tab, and now you can see the map is appearing. If you would like to add your CSS, or you would like to manage this map with a full width like this, you can. So just go to the code again, you can see the width, okay. You can see the width for 600, we can do for 100%, right? And now update, and now it's updated. Go to the page again, reload this page. Now you can see it's displaying as a full width. So this is something you can easily add our Google map into our website. That's it. Thank you.